Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Ice Pops. Ice Pops are a favorite treat enjoyed by people of all ages, perfect for cooling off during hot days. They come in a variety of flavors and forms, from classic fruit varieties to gourmet creations, and can be found in stores or made at home. The history of Ice Pops. The history of Ice Pops began in 1905 when 11-year-old Frank Epperson accidentally created the first ice pop by leaving a cup of flavored soda outside on a cold night. The mixture froze around a wooden stirring stick, and by morning, Frank had discovered the frozen treat. He initially called it the Popsicle, a combination of his last name and the word icicle. Years later, Frank patented the idea and renamed it the Popsicle in 1923, selling it at amusement parks and fairs. The Popsicle quickly became popular and expanded to include classic flavors like cherry, orange, and grape. Types of Ice Pops. Ice Pops come in several types. Classic Ice Pops are the traditional, colorful frozen treats many remember from childhood, made with artificial flavors and bright dyes. These are simple, sweet, and affordable. Artisan Ice Pops are the gourmet version, often made with fresh, natural ingredients like real fruit, organic sweeteners, and unique combinations. These pops prioritize quality, creativity, and aesthetics, often featuring bold and unusual flavors. For those with dietary preferences, there are options like vegan Ice Pops, which use plant-based ingredients, or sugar-free and low-calorie varieties that cater to health-conscious consumers. Making Ice Pops at home. Making Ice Pops at home is a fun and customizable experience. All you need are a few basic ingredients like fresh fruit, juice, or coconut water, and sweeteners like honey or agave syrup. You can experiment with flavors like tropical mango coconut or berry basil lemonade. To make the pops, simply blend your ingredients, pour them into molds, add sticks, and freeze for several hours. Once frozen, enjoy your homemade Ice Pops. Cultural impact of Ice Pops. Ice Pops also have a cultural significance and are often featured in popular media, bringing back memories of summer and carefree childhood moments. In different regions of the world, Ice Pops take on unique flavors and forms. In Mexico, Paletas are fruit-filled pops that often incorporate chili or lime. In Japan, Ice Pops inspired by Kakigori, shaved ice, feature sweet bean paste and matcha, while in Brazil, pickle is made with tropical fruits like guava and acai. Fun facts about Ice Pops. Ice Pops have also achieved some interesting feats. In 2005, the world's largest ice pop was created in New York City, measuring 25 feet tall and weighing 35,000 pounds. These frozen treats are also used in various ways beyond snacking, like soothing sore throats or cooling down marathon runners. Bartenders even use Ice Pops in cocktails, adding a playful and flavorful twist. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.